Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. This session we are going to cover an important question which is asked by many of the candidates and it's difficult to answer, that how many questions should I attempt out of 200 in order to get qualified. I'll discuss on this topic in detail in this video, and if you're new to the channel you can subscribe the channel. You can see the number 9319128677. This is the helpline number where you can call to avail the paid guidance services. Right now we are giving discount of 20% in case you want to avail the paid guidance service from now, because after you write the exam it will be useful platform for you, the NEET Mentor channel, where you can get all the information and you can also ask about the prediction based on your expected score. You get to know the rank and all the further things. If you're new to the channel, you can subscribe the channel and like the video. You can share within your group. You can also join the Telegram group, which link is given in the description. So coming to the point, how many questions you should attempt in order to qualify. See, it all depends on the question paper difficulty level, which will come to know on 21st of May only, that what is the difficulty level of the paper. But considering and minimum number of questions which you should attempt should be at least 75, between 75 to 80, so that you can score between 300 to 325, and that should be sufficient for you to qualify NEET PG 22. The qualifying score may remain same as last year 2021 if the paper difficulty level is same, which was kind of mediocre last year. Okay, so must attend 75 to 80 questions, and you should answer these many questions correctly. You should not like attending these many questions. 75 to 80 questions should be correct in order to qualify. Now, in order to get a decent rank for government colleges, you should attempt 175 to 185 questions. You can leave 15 to 20 questions which is alien to you or you are not aware about, you have not covered that topic. If your preparation is up to the mark, okay, and then you should be able to answer 125 to 135 questions. In case you want to do guesswork for the remaining questions, so leaving 20 to 25 questions which is completely unaware, means completely out of your knowledge, for remaining attended questions you can do intelligent guesswork. For example, out of 4 questions, if you are able to figure out 2 are absolutely incorrect, so out of 2 1 will be correct. If you are not sure which one is correct, then you can play guesswork out of those questions. The probability theoretically it will be 50% chance to get correct answer, and you see the negative marking is 25%, and so you get one correct question out of guesswork, you will be rewarded 4 marks. In case one incorrect answer, -1, so still you are in benefit, you will getting +3. But you don't play the guesswork for all the questions. Try to eliminate the wrong answer, and out of the remaining you play guesswork. Exam strategy to tackle negative marking in NEET PG. In this exam, with a 25% negative marking, you can theoretically be always positive even you guess all the questions. For example, you will be rewarded 4 marks once you answer it correctly, and by 25% chance to get means 25% is the negative marking, you will get 1 marks incorrect. So after 2 questions are answered, 1 correct 1 incorrect, still you are getting 3 marks. And you have to if you give 3 questions answer incorrect, then only it will be 0 marks totally. So in case you are earning 1 marks again. If you see as a research, okay, regarding the negative marking, what candidates say when there is a negative marking in the exam, 64% of the candidates will admit that they will leave the question which is unknown to them. 26% say they will decide after having a glance at the question that they will play the guesswork or not. 5% will say that they will attempt all the questions. So you have to play the smart guesswork, intelligent guesswork here in order to improve your marks. There are some tricks to make guesswork or score more. Okay, I will also tell you how you can plan 3.5 hours time. Can you eliminate an option? If you can eliminate, then you can do guesswork which will be positive for you. Read the question and options very carefully in order to eliminate the option. Don't do the questions in order. In case you are doing questions in order and you are feeling that suddenly if you find that a question which is not from the topic you have studied, then you can leave it straight away. No need to waste time in that. You can mark for review or mark to visit later, and you can move forward. When to mark a question and change options later when you are not sure and want to change the option later after reading out once again. It happens that if you answer a certain number of questions correctly, your confidence level will boost up, and then you can try attempting those questions where you had doubt. That confidence level will give you so much of positive energy to do the additional work, additional guesswork and all such things. Which options should you mark after you have eliminated two options? And how you should plan your 3.5 hours is my suggestion that you divide in three parts. First 2.5 hours and remaining 1 hour in two parts. So 150 minutes is 2.5 hours. You give to read out all the questions, okay, except those which you are really unaware about, and you try to answer all the correct questions which you know, and you keep on marking those questions where you have doubt over few options which you can visit later. Next slot of 50 minutes you can revisit those questions where you had doubt which one is correct, and you, during that period you can play guesswork. Okay, and in the last 10 minutes you need to review all the questions except those which are really correctly answered, and so that you don't miss out or don't do any kind of uh, big mistake. Okay, so this is the way you can plan it. So this is my personal opinion. Okay, and you know it better because you have been preparing. There is nothing new you should do right now, not new topic. You have to just revise it so that you have more confidence on the topics you already covered. Okay, and you can comment us in the comment section with your views and all such things. Thanks for watching.